So today's video regarding HP OfficeJet Pro 6960 printers. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. So you can we need to open the chamber, so you can put a hand here and lift it up so it's present both sides, and it will, once you lift it up properly, it will stand itself. And now we can see the ink cartridge chamber is here. We just simply need to place a hand here, there is a clip, and it will come out. So same way we can just take all the ink cartridges out. Now once we take them out, now we install the new ink cartridges. So place the new ink cartridge one by one. Once you place it there and push it downwards, it will lock itself. So just do it for all the 4 ink cartridges. And now push the door down and it will just come down itself. So once it is done, just check the display screen. So on the display screen you will see the printer is checking for the ink cartridges, and then you will see the main screen. So once you install them, you will come to the main screen again, and here if you want, you can also check the level of ink available. Thanks for watching.